Here is the list of top 10 Airbnbs in Goa. Number 1. Goa Cottages in Agonda Beach. Arguably Agonda's most beautiful beachfront property, offering luxurious cottages with stunning sea and garden views. All cottages are equipped with air conditioning, flat screen TV, a desk, a wardrobe, super comfortable mattresses in the king size double beds, and a spacious private bathroom. Goa Cottages also offers a restaurant and a bar. The nearest airport is Debolin Airport, which is 68 kilometers from Goa Cottages, Agonda. Number 2. Striking penthouse with private plunge pool. This luxury penthouse is located in the quaint village of Nerul, overlooking paddy fields and the Nerul River. It has a sprawling bedroom with stunning views. The bedroom comes with an en-suite bathroom. There is also a sleek and well-styled kitchen with modern fixtures and is fully equipped with all the essentials. The best part of this penthouse is the gorgeous plunge pool for your private use and a lovely and spacious terrace to enjoy these amazing sunsets. The perfect romantic getaway. Number 3. The White Wish 2 BHK Candolim by Homestay Daddy. Beautifully designed a home away from home with a vacation feel. Enjoy the fun vibes of Goa and relaxing pool time with your loved ones. Sure, a visit to White Wish at Goa coupled with cool splash of water and whispering winds at Gandior beaches would ignite your passion and excitement to explore the hidden treasure of an abundant pleasure. Number 4. Goan Beach House at Anjuna Beach. Beautiful one-bedroom beach cottage by the sea in South Anjuna, which is very well furnished to give you a feel of Goa. Unwind yourself to the natural and scenic beauty of Anjuna. Anjuna was a dormant village until it was discovered in the 60s by the hippies and was labeled paradise on earth. Cottage at Patnam Beach. Just 2 minutes away from the beach, this hut built with palm tree products is a perfect option if you're looking to come and live like a local at Patnam. The room has a comfortable sized bed and is very spacious. You will have a private spacious bathroom attached to the room with running water, hot and cold both. They also provide Ayurveda massage service but will be charged separately, of course. The entire area in the property is almost completely built with eco-friendly products. Number 6. Luxurious brand new duplex, Siolim. This beautiful apartment located in Siolim is close to the most famous town and beaches of Anjuna and Morjim. The apartment can accommodate 6 guests and is a perfect place for a family. It also has a fully functional kitchen with dining area, 2 bedrooms and a terrace. They also have a provision of 2 additional mattresses. It is also a part of gated community, so safety is not a problem, with an outdoor swimming pool, a pool house and 24-hour security. Number 7. Abbeydale Resort, Column Bay, Patnam Beach. Abbeydale Houses is a beautifully situated new resort on the rocks of tranquil Column Bay in South Goa between the hustle and the bustle of Palolem. And it is relaxed hippie vibe of Patnam Beach. They have luxury cottages which goes up to 11 which are newly built and are very nicely furnished with private terraces, hammocks and a stunning view. All of the cottages have AC and hot water, a fridge and daily housekeeping. Number 8. Iksha, luxury villa with a private pool. This 3-bedroom villa, Iksha, with a private swimming pool is one of the most secluded and romantic villas which combines luxury with rustic beauty. The greenery and forest around is charming and yet it is just 20 minutes drive from the Goa airport or from the nearest beaches of South Goa. You will have no trouble feeling right at home here at Iksha in Loitlium. It is strongly recommended to anyone who wants a beautiful, quiet, secluded, romantic and yet a luxurious holiday. Number 9. Abstract Suite Luxe Art themed apartment with forest view. This is an art themed boutique guest house located in the quiet bylanes of the Siolim Chapora area centrally located, a 3-minute ride to the river and a 15 to 20-minute ride from Morjim, Ashwim, Anjuna and Vagator beaches. It is a 1 BHK apartment and is fully equipped with craft and art supplies to bring out the artist in you. Number 10. The Ecological Village in Palolem. This ecological village is located on the best beaches in Goa, known as Palolem. The cottage comes with clean interiors, modern fixtures. The wooden cottage gives you a completely different feeling of staying during your travel. This cottage is located 50 meters away from the famous Palolem beach. You can go to Patnam as well as the other places from here. They have aerial circus at the property during the seasons on Friday. Here was the list of top 10 Airbnbs in Goa. For other top 10 Airbnbs in India or around the world, please follow my channel, like it, subscribe it and see my other videos. Thank you.